Let's proceed to inverse proportion. Inverse proportion is the relation between two quantities where one quantity increases or decreases as the other quantity decreases or increases at the same ratio and rate. Let's proceed to the example number 1. It takes 8 days for 35 laborers to harvest coffee on a plantation. How long will 20 laborers take to harvest coffee on the same plantation? So, for the example number 1, 35 laborers harvest coffee in 8 days. Duration taken by one worker, so is equal to 35 times 8 days. Now calculate the duration taken by 20 workers. Is equal 35 times 8 divided 20 is equal to 14 days. Therefore, 20 laborers will take 14 days. Proceed to the example number 2. It takes 28 days for 6 goats or 8 sheep to graze a field. How long will 9 goats and 2 sheep take to graze the same field? And for the number 2 solution, 6 goats is equal to 8 sheep. So, 1 goat is equal to 8 and 6 sheep. Then 9 goats is equal to 8 divided 6 times 9 sheep is equal to 12 sheep. So 9 goats plus 2 sheep is equal to 12 sheep plus 2 sheep. The answer is 14 sheep. Now 8 sheep is equal to 28 days. 1 sheep will graze in 28 times 8 days. So we're going to 14 sheep will take 28 times 8 days. The answer will be going to 16 days. Hence, 9 goats and 2 sheep will take 16 days to graze the field. And for the last example, example number 3, 9 taps can fill a tank in 4 hours. How long will it take 12 taps of similar flow rate to fill the same tank? Let the ratio x sub 1 divide x sub 2 is equal to y sub 2 divide y sub 1. We're going to 9x is equal to 12, 4. The answer will be 3. Therefore, 12 taps will take 3 hours to fill the tank. Now I give you time or a while to answer these 3 problems. For the first problem, since the speed of the car is constant, the same time it takes to travel a certain distance is inversely proportional to the distance. Let C be the time it takes to travel a distance of 120 km. Then we can set up the proportion. So 240 kilometer divided 4 hours is equal to 120 kilometer divided t. We're going to cross multiplying that. So 240 is equal to 4, 10, 20. The answer will be 2 hours. Therefore, it will take the car 2 hours to travel a distance of 120 at the same speed. Let's proceed to problem number 2. For the problem 2 solution, number of widgets divided time to produce, it is equal to constant. Let K the constant of proportionality, then we can write 200 widgets divided 5 hours is equal to K. K is equal to 40 widgets per hour. To find the time it takes to produce 400 widgets, we can use the same constant of proportionality. So 400 by time is equal to 400. The answer will be 10 hours. Therefore, it will take the machine 10 hours to produce 400 widgets using the same method. And for the last problem, time to fill divided rate of filling is equal to constant. Let K be the constant of proportionality, then we can write 6 hours divide 1 top is equal to K. K is equal to 6 hours. To find the time it takes to fill the tank with 2 tops working together, we can use the same concept of proportionality. Time to fill by 2 tops is equal to 6 hours. Top. Time to fill will be 3 hours. Therefore, it will take 3 hours to fill the tank with 2 tops working together.